Now you mentioned 40 on a Zoom call. That's perfect. So you literally see yourself logging in and having tears of joy because you have 40 people now enrolled in the student base of your course. Okay, so brilliant, brilliant thing there. John, you mentioned large brown barn style door opens to right into foyer, living room to rear of house, beyond foyer. Wife and grandkids are smiling and laughing. Beautiful. Okay. John, I would even take the next step and I would go to bed your first night there. So you're going to actually go into you and your wife's master bedroom there. You're going to go to bed and you're going to look over your wife and say, this is a dream come true. You're going to start seeing that alignment. You're going to start seeing it and you're going to have tears of joy. And once you have those tears, you've fully assumed that you will have this thing. Okay. You're going to feel that. Really beautiful. Nadine said, visualize specific people saying yes. Okay, really good. We want to actually let go of the names. So I'm not going to see, Linda. Okay, Linda says yes. Okay, so I actually don't direct the means. I direct the end result. Okay, very important because there might be a pool of 100 people in front of you. You might have 5 prospects you just talked to in last week that you wish enrolled because you know they need it, but they had some objections or whatever. We're not ever trying to change people. We're trying to open ourselves to the inflow. That's all we have to pay attention to. So when you do that, you don't have to try and make sure that person does or this person, even if you guess that they could use it. Somebody else, if they're not going to do it, somebody else is actually right on your doorstep about to email you saying yes. There's a lot of golden nuggets in here. So I would definitely take a look at the replay, everyone here. Okay, so those unseen's here, A, B, and C, we want to have ready to go. I've been doing a lot of talking. I want to give you a little presence so you have time to think. Definitely take this into a really important mode and write down those unseen's A, B, and C. Okay, Amy, I see you have a great question there. I'll definitely cover that right after this. 60 seconds here. Let's do a little present in the moment time. I'll mute myself and then go ahead and make sure you have those scenes written down. We're going to actually visualize those. "30 seconds here, and we'll go ahead and bring it into step number 3. Okay, hopefully those are written down and good to go. Amy mentioned, is assumption same as expectancy? Absolutely. Whatever you expect, you're assuming. I mean, the words are almost synonymous together, right? If I expect it to rain outside today because I see all the clouds and everything, right? I'm kind of assuming at the same time it's going to rain. So really those ideas are near identical. Great question. Luana mentioned, Luann, hopefully I'm saying your name right there. What if you have more than one business? Great question here. If you have a numeric money goal, you don't have to visualize the specific business you think it's going to come from. Just manifest the money, or actually see the end scene of the money. The money's going to manifest itself through one of those businesses that's going to be easiest and best for you. So again, we want to jump to the end, not try to guess how the middle is going to happen. See both of your businesses or many businesses, whatever amount of business you have, all in success. You can do that though at the same time. As Ari, you mentioned feeling is the key. Absolutely here.